Just received the Black & Decker cordless 3-in-1 stick vac, and I'm going to show you the different features about it and what it can do. This is what the vacuum cleaner looks like when it's fully assembled. It's basically 3 vacuum cleaners in one, and I'm going to show you the different parts to it. The top piece is a handheld vacuum cleaner that can be used by itself. The dustbin is super easy to empty. Goes right back on. This is perfect for cleaning the stairs, cleaning those crumbs off the table. I love this piece for the versatility. And then the next piece that clips right back on easily is the full vacuum cleaner. Down here, you'll see the rotating brush that collects all those crumbs that are all over the kitchen floor. Love how it swivels, goes up and down. That makes it really easy to get around places, around chairs, in the table, everywhere. And then this piece also comes off. It has the button right here. That comes off. And then you can use the tube by itself with the handheld. And this is great for cobwebs up on the ceiling, dust, getting the crumbs in the corner. Really good for that. The vacuum cleaner also comes with this little brush. Has a little brush on the end, which makes it really easy to get those crumbs, you know, the ones that get caught in places, and that clips on really easily. Another cool feature about this vacuum cleaner is how it stores. On the tube, there's a little knobby, and that hooks into here. Let me show you how that does it. And you can then store all the pieces together. So basically you can take your bottom bristles, connect that in, pop that on the bottom, and then easily store it somewhere. So now I'll show you how the vacuum cleaner works. This vacuum cleaner, again, is cordless. It comes with a cord to charge it, and one single charge will give you up to 33 minutes of vacuum time. So you get a lot of time with it. It's very lightweight, so that means my boys can vacuum up their own messes. I store this in the laundry room, so when they make messes in the kitchen, they just grab it and clean up the messes. So now I'll show you how it works. That's how it works. I mean, you can use it on tile floor, hardwood floors, and even carpet. It does a great job on all 3 surfaces. And I love the versatility, so that way I can just snap off a piece and, like I said, get the stairs, or snap off another piece and get something else, or something else. So I just love the versatility of it, but I really like the fact how lightweight it is. And I can just grab it from the laundry room. I don't have to plug it in. That's the part I like. I don't have to plug anything in. It's already ready to go and charge. I don't have to get out the big bulky vacuum cleaner or plug anything in. Again, this is a Black & Decker cordless 3-in-1 stick vacuum.